How to use Vacations to Go review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Vacations to Go is a platform for booking discounted cruises and vacation packages, but beginners often make mistakes that cost money or limit options. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume the cheapest deal is always the best. The surprising truth is that discounted packages may have blackout dates, limited cabin availability, or strict cancellation policies. Always read the fine print. Another common mistake is ignoring timing. Vacations to Go often features last-minute deals that can save hundreds of dollars, but waiting too long or booking too early may miss the sweet spot. Many users also overlook hidden fees. Taxes, port charges, and onboard service fees can add up quickly if not considered before booking. Finally, beginners often fail to compare cruise lines or package options. While Vacations to Go is convenient, cross-checking other booking platforms ensures you get the best value and amenities. In conclusion, using Vacations to Go properly requires reading fine print, timing your bookings strategically, checking all fees, and comparing options. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter, stress-free vacation planning in 2025.